And yet, there is this human desire to not want to know what's going to be next. What should I do? Where should I go? What's going to happen? And so you might see a headline. They call it, what do they call it in your reality? Clickbait or something fear-based. It gets you to click on something, to listen to it, to find the answer. But the answer is never going to be in your computer, on YouTube, or anywhere else outside of yourself. The answer is always going to be inside yourself.
So many people are coming forth with information, and I feel like a lot of us are struggling to figure out what we need to learn. There's so much new knowledge, and sometimes I think I get caught up in the, do I just stay and be me, be present, be loved, or should I learn to channel? There's so much energy. Is this just a good time to just stay and be present? Should that be our main focus?
Oh, wow. It is that your focus should always be in alignment with your passion. And this information that you are all being bombarded with that is coming in, we encourage you to connect to whatever information you want to that comes into your experience, but to continuously ask yourself, is this which I am hearing or receiving coming from a place of fear or a place of love? Is it coming from a place of division and scarcity, or unity and abundance? Because as you are understanding and awakening into the remembering of the possibility of the deep knowing that you are the creator, the master creator of your experience, wherever you choose to place your energy and your attention will amplify. And so as the energies and the information is coming in quickly, in a quickened state, and you are feeling overwhelmed, if the energy itself is creating discordance or concern or fear or depression or anxiety within your energetic body, we encourage you to disconnect from that and to connect to energy that brings you peace and serenity, a feeling of expansiveness, a sense of hope, an understanding of beauty, of connection, of community, of exploration, of passion, of purpose, of abundance, of gratitude. And as you keep redirecting your energy, like the algorithm, when you click on something, to click toward that energy that is in the creational vibration, in the love vibration, it will keep feeding you more and more and more of that. And then you are entering into that field that becomes your reality. And yet, there is this human desire to not want to know what's going to be next. What should I do? Where should I go? What's going to happen? And so you might see a headline. They call it, what do they call it in your reality? Clickbait or something fear-based. It gets you to click on something, to listen to it, to find the answer. But the answer is never going to be in your computer, on YouTube, or anywhere else outside of yourself. The answer is always going to be inside yourself as you come into balance and harmony within. And so we encourage you to keep reminding yourself, put a post-it note on your computer before you click on something or on a social media or anything. Is this based in fear? Is this creating anxiety in me? Is this creating separation and division? Is this forcing me to disconnect with others? Or is this supportive in me coming into balance, into harmony? It is that whether you should read tarot cards or channel is only something that you know from deep within the depth of your own being and your own soul. What brings you joy? What brings you passion? How do you want to contribute? What do you want to share? Where do you want to align your energy? Where do you want to give your energy, and to what? And ask, because you already know.